While the world was asleep, OpenAI quietly flipped the game with a brand new app ecosystem inside ChatGPT, and it launched to 800 million active users on day one. At DevDay, Sam Altman introduced Agent Builder, a next-level tool that could replace Zapier, N8N, and other automation platforms, plus Codex, which turbocharges coding like never before. ChatGPT is now more than a chat. It's a full app platform. Imagine typing Spotify, create a party playlist, and it shows up instantly in your conversation, or asking Coursera to teach machine learning, and lessons play right there while you keep chatting. Everything runs on MCP, the Model Context Protocol, giving you complete control over your data, interface, and backend. ChatGPT even understands context from what you're viewing, no explanations needed. Launch partners like Figma, Canva, and Zillow bring interactive design, creative tools, and real estate browsing directly into the chat. And monetization? OpenAI's agentic commerce lets developers sell directly to millions in one place. With Agent Kit, building AI agents is as simple as dragging and connecting blocks. Agent Builder for flows, Chat Kit for chat interfaces, Evils for testing, and Connector Registry for secure integrations. On stage, OpenAI built a fully functional AI agent in 8 minutes, handling question classification, file searches, scheduling, and secure data management. I even walked through creating a mood DJ agent. It detects user moods, routes to happy, sad, or stressed DJ agents, searches Spotify, and delivers interactive playlists through widgets, all without a single line of code. On the coding front, Codex is fully live on GPT-5, automating everything from pull requests to environment setup, catching hundreds of bugs daily, and even enabling real-time app updates. GPT-5 Pro is now available for high-precision tasks. GPT Realtime Mini makes voice AI natural and affordable, and Sora 2 API can convert sketches into full AI-generated videos in minutes, perfect for rapid prototyping. Sam Altman closed DevDay with a bold claim. Software that used to take months now takes minutes. The platform, the tools, the distribution, they're all here. So, creators, developers, innovators, what will you build first? Automation, creation, or distribution? The opportunity is massive, and it's happening right now.